Welcome to my channel, warriors. My name is Daniel Fakir, and today we're going to be making the easiest mini vegan burritos in 10 minutes or less. Let's get right into it. The ingredients we'll be using today is Success Boil in a Bag white rice, Gardein plant-based ground beef, 17 grams of protein, Bush's Best Southwest pinto beans, minced garlic, Kite Hill sour cream. And for fresh ingredients, we have fresh cilantro, red onions, plum tomato, and lime. The tortilla we'll be using today is Mission Flour Tortilla Burrito, super soft. For seasoning today, we'll be using garlic powder, extra virgin olive oil, onion, cumin, chili powder, red pepper, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, and salt. Feel free to add additional ingredients to the mix, like avocado or black beans. Now let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 2 layers of the tortilla into each one of the muffin cup tins. Preheat for 5 minutes. Now layer all the ingredients up. Boom! Fresh, filling, vegan power in a bowl. Add your favorite toppings like sour cream, cilantro, and even a twist of lime, and your favorite vegan sauce. That's it. Healthy never tasted this good. Don't forget to like, share, and tag a friend who needs this in their life. Save this recipe, subscribe for more quick vegan meals. See you next time, warriors. God bless.